Hey guys, today I'm going to share a very quick and easy Matar Pulao recipe. For that, I took some rice in a glass and we need to wash it nicely. We need 2 to 3 wash. Now we are going to soak the rice for 15 minutes. Once it's soaked in a pressure cooker, take some ghee. It's better to use ghee, avoid using oil. Here I'm adding whole spices directly to the ghee. Saute till it releases flavors, adding some bay leaf, some cashews, it's very easy to make it in pressure cooker. Give it a try and very quick. Here I am using the frozen peas. If you are using frozen peas, you have to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, or if you are using fresh peas, then cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now added the soaked rice and stir it for some time. Give it to 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm using the same glass for measurement. First I'm going to add full glass of water, then little bit less than half glass of water, some dash of salt, and mix it all together. We want to bring it in a roll boil. Don't cover the lid, just bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles. And once it cool down, open it up and your pulao is ready. It's very quick and easy. Give it a try and enjoy.